What is up, Wretched Nation? We got the Dyna in here for an upgrade or a change that I originally tried to do a year ago probably, and I didn't think about what it would affect and couldn't do it. So probably about a year later, we're finally going to get this done. All right, guys, we got the Dyna here. This is our front of the bars and the front of the bike. And if you do want to check it out, we do have these bar bags available. Link down in the description below. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link to all of our stuff. We do have these available. But about a year ago or so, maybe even longer than that, I ordered these hand guards that go right here for this bike. But I didn't have these bars. I had the stock bars, and it had the stock turn signals. And with the turn signals hanging below, they were hitting right here. And you either had to get special hand guards or relocate that. Now since then, I did some trading with a friend, and he hooked me up with these bars, and they have the turn signals in the bar itself. So now that they're out of the way, I can go ahead and put these on. But funny enough, I kept the hand guards from the last time I ordered them and put them on my road glide. Then here they are on the road glide. I put them on there just because the turn signals are down on the fairing, and I loved them, liked them on there, so I left them and never took them off. But for now, I finally have another set, and we can get it put on the Dyna. Now this install is very straightforward. I do prefer having handguards on the bikes for a couple different reasons. I think the aesthetic is pretty good, but I really like it when rocks fly up and they don't hit my hands. And these big bugs that we have down here in North Carolina, if they don't hit my hands, it's kind of nice. Hitting the top of your fingers, that can hurt. And of course in cold weather, it helps to deflect wind a little bit. That's why I keep them on the road glide. But basically all we have to do is pop them mirrors off, and we can just slot these right in place. So this install is super straightforward. Basically all you're doing is taking the mirror off and then putting the hand guard in between where the mirror goes. Now to complete this, I probably should have got new mirrors, because as you can tell, mine are scratched up pretty bad. That's what happens when your bike makes contact with the road. But let me go get the other handguard and show you the difference, because they are supposed to go on a particular side. If you can tell there, this one is shorter than this one as far as the tab goes. The longer tab goes in your clutch side. That being, because your clutch is typically going to come out further. So you need a little extra room on your clutch, because your hand is going to be further out. But this just slides right over. And then your mirror goes just like that. You just put your hardware back, and that's it. And then of course, you need to make all of your adjustments and get everything back straight. But it's super simple. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. A lot of people do this for style. You can go for style or function. It's not going to keep your hands 100% warm, because you're still going to get a lot of air on it, but it does help cut the air. And with no fairing or anything, this can really help in the wintertime to try and get yourself just a little bit warmer than you normally would be. but I obviously like it for style and function, for keeping my hands from getting hit by rocks and other debris. But that's it right there. Once you get everything together, you basically need to take some time, sit on the bike, and straighten everything back out. You do have a couple options if you want to use your stock turn signals, because your stock turn signals will be sitting right here. They do make a flush mount that'll mount right about here, or you can just attach them to the front of the bike. But they don't look too bad. But now our bike has nice coffin cut hand guards. Insert whatever SOA or possible Dyna bro joke you'd like to make. Bike's leaning over a lot, makes the handlebars look half broke. But yeah, super easy install. I think these were like 30 bucks. They don't cost too much. But there are some different brands, different styles. You can get them in plastic. You can get them engraved, different things. I've got some stickers made for mine out in the wideglide. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with this, but you know, super simple, and I like it. But that was a super easy install on the bike. Nothing too crazy, but just want to keep trying to make these videos once a day, and even putting a couple different videos together would still be something any special. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Definitely comment down below what you think about the bike. Do you like the handguards? Do you not like handguards? Probably won't be putting a fairing on that bike because I have a road glide with a big fairing, and I just like the openness of the Dyna. But definitely like the video. Comment something down below. As always, keep it wretched.